Hello everybody, here's my latest mosaic, 2 thrushes. Now I know you've seen it before, but this time I've used these clusters of tiny little fruity morini to mosaic the entire background, which gives for a very rich overall effect. I'm sure you'll agree. In fact, I think they stand out more than the subject, which are the 2 thrushes. Never mind. The tree is made of gold. It's actually the bronze gold, Rimini, but I think that works better than if I'd have used gold. And the morini for the thrush's wings is one of my favourites. It looks like sort of a sparrow maybe, the palette of a sparrow maybe, hedge sparrow. And then this is a new colour, this lovely turquoisey green here. And I'm really enjoying the contrast between the leaves and the thrushes and the background. I think it's working really well. It's about as small as my mosaics get these days. And my mosaics are tending to get big, I think because the ideas are big. But anyway, I like to have some small ones every now and again. As usual, I've written a verse to accompany it, which I think explains it better than what I've just said. It goes like this. 2 thrushes. We've all been known to have our crushes. Not least, let's include these 2 thrushes. So as God looks down from high above, I'm sure he can tell that they are in love.